intelligent now? For me, though, you are very, very intelligent students. Okay, so let's start. What we are going to start today? Have you any guesses? I know you have read the name, but see, with me also, we again read the chapter name. So, subject English, 6th class, Unit 2, Family Values. Again, my question is here that which relationship we will talk about today? Yes, students, have you any guesses that which relationship we will talk about today? Again, brother and sister relationship. And what is the name? My sister Betty. My sister Betty. But there is one special thing. There is one special thing that I will tell you, but after this. Okay, now अभी जानना है आपको, अभी बताओ. Okay, जो इसमें My Sister Betty है ना, My Sister Betty, जिसने इसको लिखा है, poet, means it is a real story of poet. So it is a special thing about this poem. Okay, so let's start. As usual, firstly we will discuss about the aim and objective, that what we are going to read, which points we will going to cover. So our first point is reading and understanding about the poet and poem. हम poet और poem के बारे में जानेंगे. Recite poem with appropriate pose and it is your work. ये आपका काम है. आपका क्या काम है? आपको इस पोएम को रिसाइट करना है, इसको बोलना है विद एप्रोप्रिएट पोज. कहाँ पे हमें रुकना है, इंटोनेशन, कहाँ पे हमारी टोन हाई होनी चाहिए, कहाँ पे हमारी टोन लो होनी चाहिए, एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, read the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in the context. As we all know, if we are going to read any of the chapter, then there are some new words, unfamiliar words. तो हमें उनके बारे में भी जानना है और उनके बारे में डिस्कस करना है. और आपकी क्या ड्यूटी है? आपको वो अपने माइंड में रखने हैं और डेली उन वर्ड्स को एटलीस्ट इन द 5 सेंटेंस यू हैव टू यूज. आपको उन वर्ड्स को इस्तेमाल करना है एटलीस्ट 5 सेंटेंसेस में, ताकि उसके बाद after that we never say that these are unfamiliar words to us. ये हम इन वर्ड्स के बारे में जानते नहीं हैं. Okay, and in the last, appreciate a poem and enjoy its rhythm and language. हम इस पोएम के बारे में जानेंगे, इसकी रिदम के बारे में जानेंगे और इसके अंदर हम इस पोएम को एंजॉय करेंगे because it is a very very interesting poem. Okay, so first of all, as I have told you that first of all we will read about the poet who has written it. इन poet के बारे में हम जल्दी से एक बार देख लेते हैं कि what about the poet, that what is special points about the poet. You must be aware about the poet. Okay बेटा, it is very very necessary. Gareth Owen, born in 1936. इनका जन्म कब हुआ? 1936. Died 2002. Profession, what was his profession? इनका क्या काम था? He was a poet, writer, actor and director. Special points. Which are the special points about him? He began writing poems for children while he was a teacher. Means जब वो teacher थे, जब वो पढ़ाते थे, at that time he has started to write for the children because he really loves children. I also love children. He struggled a lot throughout his school years. Yes, beta, he struggled a lot. He was not so much good in studies. उनको अपने करियर के बारे में भी नहीं पता था, but he is going to do. But one thing is final that I will tell you. But he struggled a lot in his study hours. By age of 12, he had decided to become a writer. 12 साल की उम्र में उन्होंने decide कर लिया. He has decided that he will be a writer. And see, in front of us, he is a writer. He has published 4 novels. उसने 4 novels उन्होंने publish करे, लिखे. My Sister Betty, yeah, this is a special thing. मैंने तो आपको बात पहले ही बता दिया because you are so loving to me. My Sister Betty poem, which is based on his relationship. जो My Sister Betty है, जो poem आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, वो किसके ऊपर बेस है? इन्हीं के खुद के ऊपर. With his real life sister Beryl. इनकी जो sister थी Beryl, उनकी life के बारे में है. She was also like, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. I am not going to tell you. When we will read this poem, at that time we will came to know कि Beryl किसके जैसी थी. Okay, and it is a real poem. इट इज अ रीड, तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है पढ़ने में. लेट्स सी. What happened? Till now you have not connected. Those students have read the. Those students have done pre-reading. जिन बच्चों ने पहले से पढ़ लिया है, I'm sure कि they are तो aware about this. But those have not read, don't worry बेटा. We are here to help you. हम आपकी help करेंगे. So two connectivity questions. If you are able to give me the answers of these questions, it means you are aware about this poem. So what is? Do you like dominating kind of behavior of your brother and sister? What is the meaning of dominating? What is the meaning of dominate? Dominating means किसी के ऊपर हमें अधिकार दर्शाना कि ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, this type of. Okay? So do you like this type of behavior? क्या आपको अच्छा लगता है? Like your sister say, चलो लाइट बंद करके आओ, दो मुझे पानी दो, in this type of. Okay? So do you like or not? Second, who is the role model of your brother and sister? Have they ever acted like them? अब तो आप पक्का समझ गए होंगे कि आखिर इस पोएम में होने क्या वाला है. But we will read today. Means of your brother and sister, there is any role model of them? क्या उनका कोई रोल मॉडल है जिसकी तरह वो एक्टिंग करते हो कभी? Have you ever seen? If you have seen, just tell me कि yes, my brother is sometimes my brother do act like him or her. या आपकी सिस्टर किसी की तरह एक्टिंग करती है, just like मोदी, just like अमिताभ बच्चन, just like any cricketer, any कोई भी हो सकता है हम जिसकी तरह एक्टिंग कर सकते हैं. Okay? So students, there is one video also, but before that I will also ask one question to you. Not question. You will tell me that what I am saying. Is it a dialogue? And if it is a dialogue, then who has said this dialogue? Okay. कितने आदमी थे? कितने आदमी थे? ये किसने बोला था? गब्बर ने. Gabbar, yeah, very famous actor in the movie Sholay. He has said this. कितने आदमी थे? So I am Gabbar? No ना, I am not Gabbar ना, but I am saying because I wanted to like him. क्या मैं उसकी तरह बनना चाहती हूँ? But I don't want to like him. But Betty wants to like be an actress. Just we will go with a video also for the better connectivity. Yes, let's start. So students, have you seen? She was really cute, and what she was saying? She was selling some vegetables. वो सब्जियां बेच रही थी. But what do you think? She really, what do you think? क्या ये सच में कोई सब्जी बेचने वाली है? No ना. But why she is doing like this? वो ऐसा क्यों कर रही है? Because she is interested only be an actress. क्योंकि वो एक एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है, इसलिए वो सभी की नकल कर रही है. Okay, and same happened with the Betty. सेम बैटी के साथ हो गया है. नाउ जस्ट सी what we can do, but we will read and we will enjoy a lot. So why this relationship about the brother and sister? बैटी एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती है, बट वो परेशान किसको कर रही है? अपने भाई को, अपने डायलॉग सुना के. So let's see what's happened. Section 3, my sister Betty. My sister Betty. Page number 57. Page number 57. First of all, from here we will start. You have just read a story about a brother and sister in which the brother is quite a bully and the sister is at the receiving end. We have read a story about a brother and sister. About which story we are talking about? Which story? Huh? Tom comes home. Yes, you are correct. Tom comes home. In this poem, the opposite in the case means in that story Tom was rude, no? Tom was rude. Tom थोड़ा गुस्से में था. But in this story, it is different. Who is more dominating? Who having more dominating nature? Sister. Okay. Let's start and enjoy the poem. My sister Betty said. मेरी बहन बेटी ने कहा. I am going to be a famous actress. मैं एक famous actress बनूंगी. Famous actress, very popular actress. लास्ट ईयर शी वाज गोइंग टू बी अ मिशनरी, पिछले साल उसको एक मिशनरी बनना था। मिशनरी, यस स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज सी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मिशनरी, अ पर्सन सेंट टू टीच रिलीजन टू पीपल। सो लास्ट ईयर बट शी वाज ट्राइंग टू बी अ मिशनरी, उसको लास्ट ईयर मिशनरी बनना था, मतलब उसको कुछ धर्म के बारे में लोगों को सिखाना था। बट दिस ईयर व्हाट शी थिंक्स दैट आई विल बी एन एक्ट्रेस, मैं एक एक्टिंग करूंगी मैं एक, और आई विल बी एन एक्ट्रेस, वेरी वेरी फेमस एक्ट्रेस। सो famous actresses always look unhappy but beautiful. Famous actress, it was a thought of Betty, ये Betty की thought है। What is the thought? That the famous actress always look unhappy and but beautiful. That famous actress जो होती है ना, वो खुश नहीं दिखती, खुश नहीं दिखती, पर वो होती बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है। So it is a thought of Betty. Okay? She said, pulled her mouth sideways and making her eyes turn upwards like this, something like this, अपनी आंखों को ऊपर करते हुए। So they were mostly white, इसीलिए वो हमेशा सफेद होती है। Do I look unhappy but beautiful? Now she is asking from her brother, क्या मैं unhappy दिख रही हूँ? क्या ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ और लेकिन मैं सुंदर दिख रही हूँ? This question she asked from her brother. I want to go to bed and read, I said. So who said? Who said beta? Whose sister is she? She is of Janet Owen sister. Yes, correct. You are absolutely correct. तो जो poet है वो क्या कहता है? नहीं, I am going to bed. I want to sleep. Famous actress suffer and have hysteric. तो बोलते हैं कि famous actress always suffer, means they are always in the sad mood, they are always in trouble, suffer trouble, okay, and have hysteric, and a state of person means they always lose their control, they don't know what to do, वो ये तो जानते हैं क्या करना है बट हमेशा वो अपना कंट्रोल खो देते हैं, means they shift on anger, then suddenly they shift on in a loving mood, this type of. She began going very red and screaming, and what she said, what she did, she does three things. वो तीन चीजें ऐसी करती है जिससे ऐसा लगता है कि आई डोंट नो क्या हो गया उसको। मीन शी डज थ्री थिंग्स, बट शी डज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शी वेंट रेड, वो बिल्कुल लाल हो जाती है, ऐसे चिल्लाती है ना तेज, समथिंग लाइक दैट, वो बहुत तेज चिल्लाती है और उसका मुंह बिल्कुल लाल हो जाता है। एंड शी हिट हरसेल्फ ऑन द और हेड, वो अपने फीस्ट, इट इज अ फीस्ट, और वो अपने सर पे ऐसे मारती है, ओके। एंड आफ्टर that in the last she just go like this, जैसे उसने कुछ परफॉर्मेंस दी हो वो ऐसे झुकती है। So let's see, you will also read this. Yes, we were on this line, famous actresses suffer a lot. Here we are. Famous actresses suffer and have hysterics. She began going very sad and screaming. वो बहुत उदास हो जाती है और चिल्लाना शुरू कर देती है। So that it hurt my ears. इस वजह से उसके means whose ears are hurting? Poet ears are hurting. She hit herself on the head with her fist. Fist से वो अपने सर को ऐसे मारती है, and rolled off my bed onto the lino, and rolled off, to move or fall means roll off my bed onto the lino. What is the meaning of lino? It is also here, beta, you can see, but I will also tell you a type of strong material used for covering the floor. Sometime we cover the floor by very beautiful material, so it is very hard. So she just rolled off the bed. उस बेड को वहाँ पे roll off कर देती है, घुमा देती है। I stood by the wardrobe where it was safer. You can see in the picture as well. See, poet, and where is he? Near the wardrobe. Yes, correct. He is near the wardrobe. She got up saying, "Thank you, thank you." So what she did three things. Firstly, she shouted and became red. पहले तो वो चिल्लाती है, लाल हो जाती है. After that, fist on her head. वो एक fist को अपने सर के ऊपर मारती है. And after that, what she did? She got up and saying, "Thank you, thank you." जैसे कि बैटी ने कुछ performance दिया हो. She said, "Thank you" in this way, and go to the four corners of the bedroom. It is bedroom 4 corners are there, तो वो सभी दिशाओं के अंदर ऐसे in this way she did. Okay, now page number 58. here we will start. Would you like an encore orchestra? She said. But she said, what is the meaning of this encore? Its meaning is, do you want a repeat performance? Oh my God, what she is asking? वो अपने भाई से पूछ रही है क्या मैं फिर से ऐसा करके दिखाऊं? What do you think? What do you think? She asked, no. I said. Poet said, no, please. I said from inside the wardrobe. Now where is poet? Earlier poet was outside the wardrobe, but now where he is? See, in the wardrobe. वो डर की वजह से उसके अंदर चला जाता है. And he said, no, please. अब मैं दोबारा से ये सब नहीं देखना चाहता. There was fluff all over the waist. Fluff means small pieces of material. वो wardrobe में था, तो वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा सामान था. If you don't clap enthusiastically, she said, I will put your light out when you are reading while I clapped a bit. And what she said, अगर तुमने अच्छे से उत्साहित होके ताली नहीं बजाई, okay? So what I will do, I will switch off the light when you will start reading and writing something. She is just giving warning to her brother. Just do whatever I am saying, otherwise I will get angry with you. While I clapped a bit, then he just do like this. Okay, clapped a bit. थोड़ा सा वो clap करता है. She bowed and shouted. Bowed means again she do like this and shouted. More. My mother shouted upstairs, and suddenly they hear the voice of the mother. Go to bed and stop teasing Betty. The best thing about being a famous actress, Betty said. Again, Betty drama is just going on. She had not stopped till now, and but again she said, you know what? But to whom she is saying? To the poet. अपने भाई को वो बोल रही है, क्या तुम जानते हो? क्या जानते हो? चलो देखते हैं क्या जानते हैं. The best thing about being a famous actress, Betty said, is that you die alone. Actress को बहुत बार मरना पड़ता है अपने जीवन में. She fell to the floor with a crash. She fell to the floor. वो फर्श पे एकदम से आवाज के साथ गिर जाती है. And lay there for an hour and a half with her eyes staring at the ceiling. Ceiling means roof upper part. She just continually staring at the ceiling. She only went away when I said, you really look like a famous actress who's unhappy but beautiful and at last. But what can the brother do? And he said, yes, you are really looking like a famous actress. तुम बिल्कुल famous actress की तरह लग रही हो. Very, very beautiful and very, very sad. When I got into bed and started reading, she came and switched off my light. But what the Betty did, she was very, very naughty. So what she did, she just switched off the light of the room, and it was not much fun having a famous actress for a sister. And at the last, but he said that it is not so much fun to having a sister who is an actress. अगर एक actress इस तरीके से करती है, so it is not so much fun. I hope students you have enjoyed a lot. Just shift on the summary. एक बार summary देख लेते हैं जल्दी से, ताकि हम भूले नहीं. And if you have skipped any of the point, just read the summary carefully, and otherwise just go with the video again. Okay. Summary. Yes, the last, but be careful. Okay. So main points we can say. My sister Betty poem is on his relationship with his real life sister Beryl. My sister Betty, in this poem, she is a real sister. Betty is not real sister. Beryl is real sister of the poet, but it is reality. Means once same happened with the poet. Okay, एक बार बिल्कुल same ऐसा poet के साथ भी हुआ था. This poem is about a brother and sister. Last year she wanted to be a missionary. पिछले साल को उसको एक missionary बनना था. Means she wanted to teach the people about the religion. And this year she wants to be an actress. Yes, correct. She does 3 things. As I have told you 2 times while reading the poem, she does 3 things to behave like an actress, to feel like an actress. She went red and screamed. She hit herself on the head with her face. At last she got got up and walked to the four corners of the bedroom. Okay, वो चिल्लाती है, वो अपने सर पे मारती है और उसके बाद she just thought that now her performance has got end. तो उसके बाद वो चारों कोनों पे ऐसे ऐसे करके thank you बोलती. Okay. Last points. She forced her brother to clap. She forced her brother. Poet was not willing to clap, but she forced her brother. Do clapping, otherwise I will switch off the light when you will start reading and writing. Okay. She fell on the floor and lay there for an hour and a half. वो फर्श पे गिर जाती है and she lay there, वहीं पे रहती है and just continuously staring at the ceiling. जो रूफ के ऊपर ceiling होता है उसको continuously देखती रहती है. At last, the poet said that she really looked like an actress and she went to sleep. And at the last, but the poet means he is not willing to say, but forcefully उसको कहना पड़ता है कि yes, you are very famous, you are looking very famous actress, very popular actress, and you are looking very beautiful, and you are looking very sad also. So beta, I hope you have enjoyed this poem. If you having any problem, you can ask from me any of the time and just read the poem carefully. I hope you will all read. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.